Atandatu aya ni Ekuirwo a uici wa mahiu kaunti-ini ya Machakos na aria atano ao mahingiritwo ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Athi-river guku makihingirwo ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Kiserian.
Hata na wewe ukatuambia hii ndio lori.
Ekuirwo aya aria ni hamwe na Pauline Muthoni, David Masharia, Peter Njenga, Ngenoi Hilalu na Samuel Mwangi kuririkana makoretwo magiethanwo nao ni maabitha borithi unyitaniri-ini na maabitha uthuthuria kwa ihinda ria mwaka umwe na nuthu kuria wuici uyu urakoretwo wihiriire muno kaunti-ini ya Machakos na icigirira ciaguo kaunti ya Nairobi hamwe na kaunti ya Kiambu. Makiaria thutha wa guikia ngono Ekuirwo aya, kamanda wa borithi sub-county-ini ya Athi-river Anderson Njagi hamwe na abitha wa uthuthuria mwena wa Athi-river John Kanda ni maugite makoretwo mamurikite Ekuirwo aya kwa ihinda na thutha wa uthuthuria wao kuonania nio makoretwo magitabania wuici uyu mamahofaniria na kumaikia ngono.
In the onset, we were convinced that this was an organized crime that was being carried out by a cartel. And this cartel, we had put them on randa.
Kuririkana utuko wa mweri wa Dithemba tariki 16 mwaka muhituku, aikari a gicagi gia Portland mwena wa Athi-river marokire gukora mahiu mao 15 maiyitwo, undu uria wacungiriirie maabitha DCI gutafanio thuthuria wa kuoya irore kuria atandatu aya monekanire gukorwo haria wuici uyu watabaniirio.
These incidents, we embarked on intensive investigation which involved both physical and forensic analysis, and through that we were able to place the 5 culprits we are going to parade before you. We are parading before you on the scene of the incident on that fateful day.
Kuririkana umwe wa Ekuirwo aya uri ukurikanite ta Ngenoi Hilau kuma mwena wa Oljororok no ikaraga tauni-ini ya Kitengela kaunti-ini ya Kajiado niwe muthigani munene wa gikundi kia wikinai aya uri uratwiragia muci uria wina mahiu niguo kuhota gutabania wuici na njira ya uhuthu makihuthira lori ino niguo gukua mahiu macio.
This is the person who's been a conduit for this cartel. The other person we have in custody is one David Macharia Kachora, the driver. This is the driver who ferried the cattle from Athi-river to Naivasha. We have also Samuel Mwangi Maina, the transporter, the owner of the vehicle, which we have detained it.
Kuringana na ripoti iria yandikithitio ceceni-ini no Ekuirwo Njenga niwe urarutaga mbeca iria irahuthikaga biacara-ini cia Google, gukirikana niwe mwene cienderio cia nyama mwena wa Eastern Bypass na Ruiru tauni kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, gukirikana makoretwo na ndugu yake wendo na Ekuirwo Pauline Muthoni uria ngari yake irahuthikaga gutwiria miciria ina mahiu.
Additionally, we have also realized or established that these people, quite a number of them, have pending cases before court, that is within Kajiado, Matunguru, here in Athi-river, and we are going to consolidate all those cases into one.
Njagi ni augite ni megutigirira Ekuirwo aya ni mahingirwo njera-ini guku akiuria muingi wirutire kuheana ndumiriri iri ingiteithiriria maabitha borithi guikia ngono aria mangikorwo meyohithanitie na uici wa mahiu niguo kuhukia ciiko ici kaimana.
We encourage this type of crime. We are going to make our local people destitute because their cattle and goats will be vanishing one by one and they will not have any something to sustain their lives.
Tagogathoni Wanganga.